Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sliding mosquito nets for windows. First, accurately measure the inside dimensions of your window frame. You will need both the width and height to ensure your net fits snugly. Next, gather your materials, including aluminum channels for the frame, a durable fiberglass mesh, and small plastic rollers. Having all your tools, like a hacksaw, measuring tape, and a spline roller, prepared will make the process much smoother. This preparation is key for a successful project. Now let's construct the frame. Carefully cut your aluminum channels to the exact width and height measurements you took earlier. Use a hacksaw for clean, straight cuts. Once cut, connect the four pieces using specialized corner connectors, ensuring they fit tightly. Double-check that your assembled frame is perfectly square and sturdy. This precision is vital for smooth operation and a professional finish. A well-built frame is the foundation of your sliding net. With your frame ready, it's time to install the mesh. Lay the fiberglass mesh smoothly over the frame, making sure it's pulled taut without any wrinkles. Begin pressing the rubber spline into the frame's channel using a spline roller, starting from one corner and working your way around. This secures the mesh firmly in place. After the spline is fully inserted, carefully trim any excess mesh with a utility knife for a clean, professional edge. For the final steps, attach small rollers or glides to the top and bottom edges of your newly constructed net frame. These components are crucial for allowing the net to slide effortlessly within your window track. Double-check that all rollers move freely and are correctly aligned. Finally, carefully insert your completed sliding mosquito net into the window frame opening. You've now created an effective and easy-to-use barrier against insects, enjoying fresh air without pests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.